It's the Dyno race where we compare two cars in the dyno and then on the track. I'm here tonight with
Dyno.
Anthony.
All right, and around what kind of wheel horsepower you think you're pushing?
I'm hoping anything over 250, to be honest.
All right, and you willing to put it to the test?
Let's do it.
And you, what kind of wheel horsepower you think you're pushing?
Like 380.
Are you willing to put it to the test?
Yeah.
All right, let's take him to the dyno.
Fuck yeah, way better than I fucking thought. Hell yeah. On stop. I'm happy, man. Way fucking happy. Hell yeah. I go by the name of Dyno. I drive 2023 F-150 5.0 10-speed. Nothing done, straight off the lot, stock.
What do you do for a living, bro?
I'm an electrician, full-time electrician. I work out locally and do commercial, lights, pipe, everything. Anything electrical, let me know. I was in 5th gear? Yeah, see? I'm excited for that fucking Mustang.
That was solid, bro.
Yeah.
I said 320. Not 250, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared now.
How confident are you right now?
Oh, I'm up the roof now, honestly, man. Hell yeah.
Are you out world's fastest Yorkie?
How many legs horsepower, bro?
He's got like 1 pup power.
I told you! You're a bitch! What did he say? He's a bitch! He's a bitch! Fuck! 418? No way! That's not the dark horse?
Bro, that's faster than the dark horse! You gotta redo it!
Yeah, redo that! Hey, go again! Anthony Caballero, 2024 Mustang GT. Stock. Just got that shit yesterday. That's not the dark horse?
Bro. Have you done the first oil change on it yet?
Not even that.
Not even the first
No.
For a living, bro?
Demo. Where I like take shit down. We're doing a Sky Zone right now, yeah.
Oh, okay. The dark horse record is fucking 403, nigga. Like, what? There's no way.
My confidence was like this. It went like this, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna be honest. Damn, 418, bro. Stock? Damn, I've seen them on TikTok, 390, and they add shit. This stock, bro. Surprised. I'll give them the go. That's cool.
Yeah. And how about for the dig? You want to give him the go also for the dig?
Nah, for the dig, nah. I feel like the dig he'll get me on that one.
Oh shit! 392.
Hey, that's more than
last time. Alright, bro. What's your name?
Nathan,
And what do you drive?
Corvette C6,
What year is it?
2011.
Anything special under the hood?
Nah, nothing.
No, bro, you almost paid 400.
Fish me, dog.
My predictions. He's gonna beat both of them on the roll. The dig, he's gonna get his doors blown off, but the roll, he's beating them. What do you do for a living, bro?
Flip cars. Okay, just used cars.
You gonna stack up?
My car is way lighter, so I think it'll be a good race.
It'll be a good race.
Yeah.
You are stick shift though, and they 10 speeds.
Yeah, man versus machine.
Huh? It's a fresher night. It's colder. Yeah. The fat girls are out.
Oh, fuck. You could take those for me.
I got them.
Yeah, you got that.
Tortas, come your way. I want you.
All right, guys, now that we've seen everybody's number, how confident are we? How confident are we on the gap?
I think still roll and dig. Comes down to the driver. Unless he's fucking Paul Walker over here. I doubt he got it.
Yeah, rest in peace, dude.
How confident are we on the gap?
Freeway. Fuck, that Mustang is giving me a run for my money. I don't know. I'll do the freeway. I'm confident on the freeway, but the dig is like kind of there. Yeah.
All right. And then you, how confident are we on the gap?
Nah, my confidence still up here. Dig, I don't know. That's him, but my confidence still up there. Fuck that. Let's just go.
All right, let's line them up.
Let's go.
looked like the truck got it. Who got it from you guys' point of view?
I had it until I topped out, so I think I counted as a dub, you know, stock for stock, 40 to 105. I had it. So.
We're gonna tell you guys if you guys are ready. Turn on your hazards.
Yeah, that one.
And then once we see that both of you guys are ready, we're gonna count it off on the walkie.
Okay.
So it'll be the same thing.
That's perfect.
1, 2, 3. You take out before 3, you lost.
It's a jump. You lost.
Okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. On 3. What's the race gonna
Oh
be?
yeah. We agreed at 60 roll
60, 140?
to 140.
Head up.
Ready.
Who got the race?
What do you think, boy?
How much?
Chevy Power. I don't know, how much was it? Like half a car?
Like half a car, yeah.
Half a car?
Yeah.
Cool. And it was pretty fair because he had a body in the car and I had a body in the car.
It was definitely weight, I think, advantage, right?
Yeah. This one weighs like 200. Solid weight. Nah, but it was
Alright, so it'll be 40 to 100, right?
To 105.
To 105?
105 exactly.
Exactly.
All right.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys. So after the rolls with these 3 beautiful cars, how'd you think you did on that race, on these rolls against these 2 cars?
Nah, I need to rerun that.
You want to rerun them? Yep. Okay. Yeah, we could do that next time. How'd you think you did on these races?
A stock truck against a 24 Mustang, and it's a sports car, man. Yeah, kept up with it. Did what they're supposed to do, you know. We'll come back next time.
Okay, all right. So talking to the big guy that beat everybody here today. So how does it feel to beat these 2 cars, and how did you like your experience here today?
Well, this is my second time with DynoLess. They're good hosts, dude. I think you guys are cool. And like I said before, the truck underestimated it. That thing pulled pretty damn good. I'm really surprised I beat the Mustang though. I was really surprised about that one. But Corvette did his thing, dude. 6-speed, driver mod.
Okay, cool. And then we're gonna have to wait till part 2 to everyone see the digs. But just before we close it out for DynoLess tonight, what are your prediction on the digs one more time? Who's gonna win on the dig, the trio?
Me.
Okay, confidence. What about you, buddy? Who's gonna win on the dig?
Look it. I'm just saying this time, we're not playing no bullshit this time. We're going for the dig. We're going for the dig.
Okay, all right. And what about you, boss? Do you think you're gonna take these 2 on the dig?
Nah, I'm gonna go with the truck, bro.
Okay, I respect that, man of his word, the truck. All right, guys. So my prediction on the dig for part 2, I have to put it on the truck. Talk in the comments. Who do you think is gonna win part 2 on the truck? Truck, dig. I don't know. But thanks for watching DynoLess, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.